Here is how to use Pixel's Analyze feature. If you made a thumbnail and you want feedback on it, this feature is going to be very helpful for you. There's actually two ways you can use this feature. The first way is actually going to be through Pixel's generations. Every time you generate a thumbnail, it's going to come with a Pixel score. If I click right here, I can see my score. Mine scored a 73. This was a thumbnail I had generated in the past. I also want you to notice that there's 5 categories here: virality, clarity, idea, curiosity, and emotion. This helps you know exactly where you can improve and what you can fix. So as you can see here, idea could have definitely been better on this thumbnail, whereas clarity was very good. The second way to use the Analyze feature is to use already existing YouTube thumbnails. Just make sure you have Analyze selected, and you should see a spot to either paste a link or drop in your thumbnail here. You can also add the title as well. So I just added in the thumbnail I'd like to analyze. It's a video revealing someone's income in New York City. I also added the title as well. Now let's analyze this. Okay, we just got our score. Click on it here. We see it's a 76. You can see all of the categories that it did well in. And as you can see, the idea was not as good. So maybe we can improve a bit there. But yeah, this one scored a 76. I now want to show you guys one of the most useful aspects of Analyze. I have my score pulled up on a past thumbnail I generated. I can press this button right here and Pixels will fix the entire thing for me. Our thumbnail is now fixed. I think this looks much better. We can also compare the two by pressing this button here. As you can see, it's a pretty big change. The contrast looks much better. I think this pops a lot more with the new background. And yeah, this obviously scored better as well. That is exactly how to use the Analyze feature. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to create a ticket because we'd love to help you out.